Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am waiting for a customer right now, actually. She's a regular too. But I thought, let me just record this video for you guys really quick. This is my midweek Walmart video for you guys. Now I do have a much better midweek, which is really cool. I need 10 rebates for $5. This should be really easy. And then I also am tracking for the schools out bonus as well for $10. I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to tackle both of those today, so we'll probably finish up the schools out this weekend, but this should be really easy. Really quick, my OGs, do you guys remember back when Target had some type of redemption type program where if you got so many points or whatever, you could redeem it for certain items in the store? Do you guys remember that? That's when I got these leggings, dead ass. And I was just thinking about it right now. Like, I got these leggings for free. I think they didn't have that program that long. I think I only actually probably redeemed maybe twice when they had it, but I just kind of thought about that right now. So I'm gonna try to make this this video really quick. It'll be a voiceover most likely. Oh, if you're new, did we forget that? If you're new, yes, because I know some of you guys are new. Some of you guys are just passing through. Well, hello, I'm Shay. Subscribe, make sure you smash the like button, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So without further ado, let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of deals we can grab this week. Alright guys, so this first deal that I'm going to go ahead and grab is going to be on the Lipton tea. It's still on rollback for $1.88. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of these. We'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta, bringing this down to only 88 cents. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the Barilla Pesto. It's priced at $3.64. We're going to grab one and get back $1.50 on Merryfield, $1.50 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shopmium. And then I have two offers on Vetroware for $1.25 and 80 cents, making this $1.41 moneymaker. Next up is going to be a deal on the Glade warmer. It's on the starter kit. It is priced at $3.66. We're going to grab one of them. We're getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, bringing this down to $1.16. Alright, so the Beech Nut mini waffles are priced at $3.66. I'm going to go ahead and grab two of them on the paying $7.32 out of pocket, but getting back $4 on Fetch Rewards for buying two. And then $4 on Ibotta as well, making this a 68-cent moneymaker. Definitely had to do this deal again. It's on the Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters. It's priced at $5.88. So for this, we're going to grab two of them. You end up paying $10.88 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $7 on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, or Tada. And then $1.24 for each on checkout 51. It'll bring it down to only 70 cents each. Now the limit on this is 2, so I'm definitely grabbing 4 today. Next up is gonna be the chips. I'm not sure why this coupon is not working for everybody, but it has worked for me here at Walmart as well as CVS. And so they are 49 cents each. So I'm grabbing them in sets of 5. So 5 of them is $2.45. Using one coupon is giving me 55 cents of overage. So yeah, grabbing these in sets of 5. I mean, obviously you can grab 6 if you want to grab 6 and they would all be free, but I figured why not, so I'm grabbing them in sets of 5. And so yeah. All right, so next up is the Olay body wash. And yes, you guys, the price has gone up, as is everything right now. I'm so happy I'm a couponer. And so anyways, we're grabbing 3 of these. We're going to paying $6.36 in a pocket, but we'll be getting back $5 on Ibotta, making them only 45 cents each, which is definitely not bad. I was going to say for a stocking stuffer. Hey, start early, stocking stuffer. It is. This next deal is on the Dove deodorant. It's priced at $6.27. We're going to go ahead and grab one of them, and we'll be submitting for $2 back on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $2.50 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shopmium. And then last but not least, we'll be getting back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. Alright, so my next deal is on the Soft Soap Body Wash. It is on rollback for $4.47. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them at a price of $8.94. We do have dollar coupons. Actually, that coupon has since expired. I did this before it expired. And so you end up paying $6.94 out of pocket, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. And there's also $2 on Inbox Dollars as well. And then $1.12 times 2 on checkout 51 makes them only 35 cents. And the limit on that is 2, so I grabbed 4 of those. All right, so I thought I'd just go ahead and share this again. The what is it? Soft blonde, which is 520, is 226 online, and 500, which is black, is 228 online. I've been price matching them using the $4 off of one coupon from our inserts, which is kind of cool because it's going to give you a little bit of overage to help lower your out of pocket. So just a heads up on that. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Revlon eyeshadows. I've been price matching the Not Just Nudes, which is number 710 for 514. So I'm grabbing two of them. You end up paying 10.28 and getting back 7.96 on Ibotta. Basically making them $1.16 each, which is definitely not bad. And yeah, using a little bit of overage to help pay for this. All right, my next deal was on the Revlon Color Stay Pencil, number 105 Brunette. Now this one is kind of weird because the online price it jumps back to regular price and then it comes back down to 254. So as of right now, we're price matching it for 254. But it could be back up tomorrow. But as of right now, it's 254. So you're gonna grab one of them. You'll be getting back $4 on Ibotta, making this $1.46 moneymaker with a limit of 5. All right, guys, we're almost done. If you're still watching, don't forget to smash that like button. So this deal's on the Swasser Cuff hair dye. It's only on this particular cuff that I'm price matching. These actually just went up in price as well. We're price matching the online price of $10.40. So I'll be grabbing one of them, and then I'll be getting back $4 on Ibotta. Also going to get back $4 on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium. And then we're going to also get back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80. Bringing this down to 60 cents. Now, I also submitted this on Alexa as well, making it a much bigger moneymaker. Last but not least is on the one a day. It is priced at $6.98 for the 60 count. We're going to grab one of them. We'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. We're also going to be getting back $3 on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium. You might have it on Tada. You might have it on Swagbucks. I'm making this only 98 cents. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really good with this haul. I went ahead and did that Arm & Hammer and soft soap probably like maybe 3 days ago. Held on to the soft soap so I could submit that on Ibotta so that it could count towards my weekend, which was cool because it did. And so I'm not sure if those two deals are still good because I already did them on Checkout 51 already on both accounts. I was able to price match these three Revlon pencils here. And then I was able to price match the two eyeshadows as well, which counted on Ibotta. Now, if you still have the Revlon offers on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium, the eyeshadows didn't work for that because I believe it had to be Color Stay. But the BOGO offer on Ibotta does work for those. Went ahead and grabbed two of the pencils for a little bit of overage. I would have grabbed more than that, but I do not know what I do with my coupons, y'all. And so hopefully I'll find them. I probably shoved them somewhere. But hopefully I find them. I think we might have printables now that I think about it. What else did I want to mention? Oh, in my last video, I did have to put a ticket in for the hair dye and the one a day on Shopmium, you guys. We went back and forth a couple times. It was still in review. I was still waiting to hear back from them. And then today I decided to try to submit the receipt again, and it went through. So I was like, cool. So they did add the UPCs for these two items, which is really awesome. And I was able to submit them on Alexa as well. I didn't mention the Bic Easy Rinse. I went ahead and grabbed that at Target. It's $7.29. I got back $5 on Ibotta and then $4 on Alexa. I think it's on Shopmium, but I'm still waiting for the rebate to pop up. If it does pop up, then I'll go ahead and submit there as well. The only thing you don't see here is the Cheetos, which are down here. That's 9 bags because my greedy ass ate one already. And so everything you see here retails $124.46. I did have $18 in coupons, which brought my out of pocket down to $106.46. Now I do walk away with $57.96 from Ibotta, $18 from Inbox Dollars. We got back $15 from Alexa. $9.50 from Shopmium, $9.44 from checkout 51. We got back $6.23 from Fetch Reward, and then $4 on Tada, $3.60 from Shopkick, and then last but not least is $1.50 from Merryfield, which I know I don't mention Merryfield a lot, you guys, but I do faithfully scan all my receipts there because it does come in handy, and you get 50 points for every receipt, which is really, really awesome. And so anything I can do to accumulate gift cards to lower my out-of-pocket, I'm there for. So of course I'll have my link or my links for you guys in the description. Other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button with the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.